If you need to disable two-factor authentication on your Chase bank account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for an option labeled Security or Security Settings to manage your authentication preferences. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Within the Security Settings, search for the two-factor authentication option. This may be listed under two-step verification or similar term. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been turned off. Review your security settings to confirm the changes have been applied. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Chase bank account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity regularly.